Hey everybody, this is Chris from Guaranty RV in Junction City. This is a Coachmen Catalina 221. This is a really cool trailer, and for those of you that just want to be able to sleep a lot of people and get out there but do it in a trailer that is not really huge but is huge on the inside, this might be the one for you. Come check it out. So you definitely do have nice big tanks. You've got a little bit of storage on in here for the pass through on both sides. There's an outdoor kitchen, outdoor speakers, and look at this huge awning. This extends your living way out on this side, and this awning comes way out and lights all up. And this trailer does have an enclosed and heated underbelly, so that's another nice feature here in the Northwest. It does get cold once in a while, and this trailer will do really well for you. Solid step right on in. Follow me. Now I'm going to start you way at the back this time, because I want you to check out. You can sleep 4 people very comfortably up in here. Nice bunk beds, nice sized, nice and long. Look at this bathroom. So we're already sleeping 4. We could sleep 2 adults right here, and we have a nice bedroom here also for 2 more. So you could literally sleep 8 people in a trailer that's only in the low 20s as far as length. That's pretty amazing in my opinion. And you have this U-shaped booth, so all the people could get around here and sit and dine and hang out and play cards and games. You can even put a couple folding chairs here. So actually this is really set up nicely for such a small trailer for a lot of people to be able to enjoy themselves. Look how big of how much counter space you have here. Really nice split sinks. They're big, they're beautiful. These covers help a lot, because if you want to get a pizza out here or make sandwiches, you have that ability. 3-burner stove with a nice gas oven, a microwave, and the light and fan combo. Also a nice Norcold 8 cubic fridge, and then you have your Furrion electronics up here. So this one will power your outdoor speakers as well as your indoor speakers, you have speakers in the wall all ready to go, which is great. You can listen to your music. There is a privacy divider here, so this curtain will go all the way around the bed for extra privacy, which I think is neat. And this is one of the little surprises. Maybe you're out and it's at the coast and it's blowing, rain is going sideways and it's cold outside and you're uncomfortable and you decide, we just want to be in the trailer for a while. Well, someone could be taking a nap over there, they could be playing games here, and if you want to do this, you can just lift this bed up and just push it completely out of the way. It's easy to lock into place. And simply like doing this, you now have a really nice sofa that you can enjoy and you can hang out in. It also kind of gives you more walking around room in the coach. Really cool trailer, really cool concept. This might be the perfect one for your family. I think a lot of people would love this trailer. I'd love to give you an opportunity to take a look at it in person. Please give me a call. My name is Chris Bystead, and you can text me or you can call me anytime on my cell phone, 541-636-7878.